Okay, so this is a reply to my fish tank people. That's Ciara. Okay, they contacted me and they said, hey, you're doing it the wrong way. Follow our instructions. And again, they sent me instructions that are in very poor English. The general gist of it is you turn it on, press this button, which means you'll see one of these three buttons light up. So first, click on, then this button, then maybe this button, and then come back and click, 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 click. Well, okay, I get that, because if you hold that down for more than 1 second, it'll shut off. So having a multi-function button here is lunacy, all right? Because the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hold it and shut it off, which is stupid. So now, okay, I've got the white LED flashing, and obviously nothing's happening. I've tried waiting. I've tried, click, 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 nothing. Click, 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 nothing. Click, 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 nothing. Click, 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 nothing, right? So now let's try, no, off, on, no, maybe, click, 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 nothing. Let's go to blue. Can we go to blue? Yes, blue is blinking. Nothing. Click, 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 nothing, right? So now let's try that, right? And then white, right? And then you're supposed to click here again. Click, 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 nothing. So, their typical instruction is to simply click here, then click here, and their English is so bad and so broken that you can't understand it. Now, they say that their English is broken, and they admit it. No, your English is not broken. Your English is bad. Your instructions are bad. Your instructions, based on my tests, are terrible. I cannot understand a thing you're saying and what you're trying to achieve. Yes, I understand why you sent me a letter before this unit arrived to tell me that the instructions are poor and that you're going to attempt to fix them by telling me what to do. Well, okay, I get that. But to be honest, this unit to me appears dead, like totally dead, because nothing I'm doing is working. Let's try that. So that just disables that. So that's still on. Let's try the next setting. Try bring up brightness, nothing, right? Try next setting. Nothing. Is it on? Yes, it is. Let's try white. And then on. Nothing. Okay? So this is dead. All right? I have ordered another one, which will arrive soon. This box was somehow resealed when it arrived. So somebody was in here. Somebody was inside the box. So see the tape here on the end? Somebody had opened this box, which that's just plain wrong. Also, the packaging seemed intact, but there was only one piece of foam in here. So this was on one side, which tells me that somebody had removed the other piece of foam, which tells me somebody was inside the package before I got it. So, okay, it's either Amazon or Ciara's fault. Ciara maybe should ship directly from their own warehouse and make sure that their product is in fact working before it is shipped. Otherwise, you get people, jokers like this, who receive the unit into their warehouse depot and they might look at it as a return, okay, and then they'll say, well, this return is fine. Let's put it on our shelf. But what they did not do is they did not test it. So my assumption is somebody returned this unit, and Ciora somehow got it, or Amazon got it, and reshelved it as an as-new unit, and shipped it back out again. Okay, don't do that. That's very bad. This unit appears to be completely dead, and there's nothing I can do to make it work. Yes, your instructions are worthless. I don't understand what you're trying to tell me. If there's a certain amount of time you must press a button, please tell me how long I must hold the button. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, release the button. That is proper instructions. And don't say first, second, third, fourth button. No. It's either the on, off button, or the W button, or the B button, or the clock button. Clearly, I mean, look at it, okay? So W button, which is upside down, it looks like an M. W button, on, off button, or brightness button, right? So that's the second button. Clock button, or B button, okay? Use your words. Learn how to speak English before trying to write instructions in English. I can talk to you in Chinese. Stop screwing around and find somebody that can truly speak English. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye-bye.